Hello, and welcome to another RBT practice quiz. If you're preparing for the Registered Behavior Technician exam, this quiz is a great way to test your knowledge and improve your confidence. Today's quiz includes 20 multiple-choice questions based on key RBT concepts and the ABA principles you'll see on the exam. You'll have 5 seconds to answer each question before the correct answer is revealed. Keep track of your score, and let's see if you can earn a perfect 20 out of 20. Let's get started. Question 1. What does ABC stand for? A. Assessment Behavior Communication. B. Antecedent Behavior Consequence. C. Action Behavior Change. D. Antecedent Baseline Correction. Pause for 5 seconds. Answer. The correct answer is B. Antecedent Behavior Consequence. ABC data helps behavior analysts understand what happens before a behavior, the behavior itself, and what happens afterward. Question 2. What does ABC stand for? A. Assessment Behavior Communication. B. Antecedent Behavior Consequence. C. Action Behavior Change. D. Antecedent Baseline Correction. Pause. Answer. The correct answer is B. Antecedent Behavior Consequence. Remember, ABC data is one of the most important tools used to identify patterns in behavior. Question 3. What does ABC stand for? A. Assessment Behavior Communication. B. Antecedent Behavior Consequence. C. Action Behavior Change. D. Antecedent Baseline Correction. Pause. Answer. The correct answer is B. Antecedent Behavior Consequence. Collecting accurate ABC data helps the treatment team make informed decisions. Question 4. What does ABC stand for? A. Assessment Behavior Communication. B. Antecedent Behavior Consequence. C. Action Behavior Change. D. Antecedent Baseline Correction. Pause. Answer. The correct answer is B. Antecedent Behavior Consequence. The antecedent happens first, followed by the behavior, and then the consequence. Question 5. What does ABC stand for? A. Assessment Behavior Communication. B. Antecedent Behavior Consequence. C. Action Behavior Change. D. Antecedent Baseline Correction. Pause. Answer. The correct answer is B. Antecedent Behavior Consequence. ABC recording helps identify the function of behavior. Question 6. What does ABC stand for? A. Assessment Behavior Communication. B. Antecedent Behavior Consequence. C. Action Behavior Change. D. Antecedent Baseline Correction. Pause. Answer. The correct answer is B. Antecedent Behavior Consequence. Always collect ABC data accurately during therapy sessions. Question 7. What does ABC stand for? A. Assessment Behavior Communication. B. Antecedent Behavior Consequence. C. Action Behavior Change. D. Antecedent Baseline Correction. Pause. Answer. The correct answer is B. Antecedent Behavior Consequence. ABC data provides valuable information for behavior analysis. Question 8. What does ABC stand for? A. Assessment Behavior Communication. B. Antecedent Behavior Consequence. C. Action Behavior Change. Action. Behavior. Change. D. Antecedent Baseline Correction. Pause. Answer. The correct answer is B. Antecedent Behavior Consequence. Understanding ABC data is essential for every RBT. Question 9. What does ABC stand for? A. Assessment Behavior Communication. B. Antecedent Behavior Consequence. C. Action Behavior Change. D. Antecedent Baseline Correction. Pause. Answer. The correct answer is B. Antecedent Behavior Consequence. It's one of the most frequently tested concepts on the RBT exam. Question 10. What does ABC stand for? A. Assessment Behavior Communication. B. Antecedent Behavior Consequence. C. Action Behavior Change. D. Antecedent Baseline Correction. Pause. Answer. The correct answer is B. Antecedent Behavior Consequence. Keep practicing this concept until it becomes second nature. Question 11. Which reinforcement schedule delivers reinforcement after an unpredictable number of responses? A. Fixed ratio. B. Variable ratio. C. Fixed interval. D. Variable interval. Pause for 5 seconds. Answer. The correct answer is B. Variable ratio. A variable ratio schedule provides reinforcement after an unpredictable number of responses. This schedule often produces high and steady response rates. Question 12. What is the primary purpose of collecting ABC data? A. Diagnose a disorder. B. Identify patterns of behavior. C. Increase punishment. D. Replace treatment plans. Pause. Answer. The correct answer is B. Identify patterns of behavior. ABC data helps identify what happens before and after a behavior, making it easier to understand why it occurs. Question 13. Which behavior function is maintained by receiving social interaction? A. Escape. B. Automatic. C. Attention. D. Tangible. Pause. Answer. The correct answer is C. Attention. Attention-maintained behavior occurs when a person behaves in a way to receive attention from others. Question 14. What does prompt fading help achieve? A. More dependence. B. Increased independence. C. More punishment. D. Less reinforcement. Pause. Answer. The correct answer is B. Increased independence. Prompt fading gradually reduces assistance, so the learner can perform the skill on their own. Question 15. Which professional is responsible for changing a behavior intervention plan? A. RBT. B. Parent. C. BCBA. D. Teacher. Pause. Answer. The correct answer is C. BCBA. Only the supervising BCBA can modify treatment plans, and RBT follows the approved procedures. Question 16. Which measurement records how long a behavior lasts? A. Frequency. B. Duration. C. Latency. D. Interval recording. Pause. Answer. The correct answer is B. Duration. Duration measures the total amount of time a behavior continues. Question 17. What should an RBT do if unsure about a treatment procedure? A. Guess. B. Skip the activity. C. Ask the supervising BCBA. D. Create a new procedure. Pause. Answer. The correct answer is C. Ask the supervising BCBA. If you're uncertain about any procedure, always seek guidance from your supervisor. Question 18. What is shaping? A. Punishing unwanted behavior. B. Reinforcing small steps toward a target behavior. C. Ignoring challenging behavior. D. Giving prompts continuously. Pause. The correct answer is B. Reinforcing small steps toward a target behavior. Shaping teaches new skills by rewarding gradual improvements until the desired behavior is achieved. Question 19. Why is confidentiality important for an RBT? A. It saves time. B. It protects client privacy. C. It reduces paperwork. D. It improves attendance. Pause. Answer. The correct answer is B. It protects client privacy. Maintaining confidentiality is a key ethical responsibility for every registered behavior technician. Question 20. What is one of the best ways to prepare for the RBT exam? A. Memorize answers only. B. Practice exam questions and review ABA concepts. C. Skip ethics. D. Guess during practice tests. Pause. Answer. The correct answer is B. Practice exam questions and review ABA concepts. Regular practice and understanding the concepts behind each answer will help you build confidence and perform better on the RBT exam. That's the end of today's 20-question RBT practice quiz. 18 to 20 correct? Excellent. You're well prepared for the RBT exam. 15 to 17 correct? Great job. Keep reviewing and you'll be even more confident. Below 15 correct? Keep practicing. Every quiz helps you strengthen your understanding and move closer to passing the exam. If you enjoyed this quiz, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment your score below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next RBT practice quiz.